Do you have a message you want to share with the world? Something you already know, but you don't know how to monetize it. Hi everyone, here's Vera. Welcome back to Wealthy Mind Circle, the place for your personal growth and self-development. And today I want to show you what is the fastest way to not monetize what you already know. You have your knowledge, your skills, your passions, but you don't know what to do with that. What you don't realize is there is a huge amount of people right now wants what is in your head, what you already know, but you don't recognize it. What would it mean for you if you can go back to your younger years? What does it worth? You have been through lots of experience. You have built something, maybe you have lost your weight, you have started business, you have figured out how to build a website, and maybe you have helped people get through some phases in their lives and make their lives better. Anything you can think of. And if you are 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years in front of someone who has just started on day one, they need that information from you. And one thing that may come to your mind is what you know is not valuable. It's not true. Because in today's world, there are a bunch of people thinking if they have to go to university, then pay for the debt, and then they don't know what to do after they graduate because many of their friends don't get a job. Or they're trying something through trials and errors and it also doesn't work. The world now has been shifted. It has turned the traditional education system to self-education. If you want to learn about marketing, you would go search for a course rather than go through 3 years of university. What you should realize is you have a gift inside you, and what you should do is to unlock it. And once you unlock your potential, your confidence level will increase. And you will go from, should I do this? To I must do this. And when you reach that level, you will start thinking on how to market your skills. In today's world, we have social media and it reaches people all over the world. So instead of letting yourself be controlled by social media, use it to your advantage. Even if your niche is so specific, you can find people who need your information through social media. You extract your knowledge, people are hungry for it, they need your information, you market it, they pay for it, and you get a chance to make an impact in their lives. Until the time is ready, people will ignore the change that needs to happen in the world. You know what? 27% of the people who got a university degree use it, and 52% of them hate the job they got. So it seems like that has already been the social norms. Everyone who goes against it seems abnormal. And it's easy for you to criticize something that is not normal. When people see someone who is successful, they tend to say, maybe they just look good on screen. And maybe they're not so successful behind the scene because I'm also not successful. Or this person has a beautiful life, but they may only show off on social media. Maybe in real life, they have lots of fight. But when you can be more open-minded and look behind it, why do successful people are so successful? What do they do? Why does people think this way? If you can open your mind and look across the world, the path to the next level of your life may just be there. This is an unprecedented time in the world. The knowledge business will become the future and people will become accustomed to pay for that. So how do you get started? What today's world needs is authenticity and vulnerability to be the best version of yourself. There's so many people out there who seem like unreal and you cannot relate to them. So remember, you have to be able to relate. Where do you start? So the first thing you want to do is to identify what you are good at. Most of us are good at 1 or 2 things in our lives, but we don't realize it until someone points it out and tells us that we should show them to people and teach them how to do that. And when you do it, your confidence level will increase. So tell your story. Everyone has gone through some sort of struggles in their lives. By doing it, you help people save their time in learning. They don't have to go through what you have gone through when they figure it out, no matter what it is. You may face obstacles once you get started. The naysayers that tell you can't do it, that is the most common thing that stops someone when they just get started. You must know that there are 2 things, your inner self-doubt and the naysayers outside. Most people stop halfway because they don't believe in themselves. It is what happens here and not what happens outside. If you can find a reason why you're doing this, especially when people tell you that you cannot, and you can use it as the power for you to move forward and show them what you can do, you have shifted your mindset. And it's the important thing you should do. Because if you have all the skills but you don't have the right mindset, you won't be able to stay through your journey. You must have an unstoppable mindset. I want to tell you this. You need to know these 4 things if you want to create something that sells. For example, a course. The first one is your mindset. The second one is your framework. The third one is how you identify your ideal clients. I'm good at this. Who need this? And the last one is how you run the course. So after you learn something, apply it directly. You learn how to build a website, you do it. You learn how to create a course, you do it. And that's how you can create results. In life, you may have experienced this. You read books, you go to seminars, you go to events, you get motivated, then you do nothing. I have been there, and we know that won't bring us results. So here it is. You already have what you know. Somewhere out there, people need these informations and they are willing to pay for it. So what I want to challenge you is to take the first step and identify what you are good at and what you can share with the world and help people improve their lives. Share in the comments below, and I hope with this you can also inspire people in identifying their superpowers. So that's all I want to share with you guys today. And if you want to know more about how you can monetize your skills, your passions, your knowledge through a proven system by Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi, make sure to check the link in the description below. I have gone through the program by myself and I'm amazed by the content. It helped me to get clear and to identify what my skills are, something that I can share with the world. So it's not just another course because it teaches you the implementations of what you already know. And it's life-changing. So make sure to check it out, guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share with your friends, with your family. I appreciate it a lot. And make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss my next videos. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I wish you a great day and see you soon.